Let's go ahead and get the physical key out of the key fob. Right there, pull that and then pull the key out. Now you will need to get a small flathead screwdriver to pry the entire key fob open. A screwdriver with a thin edge, one that looks like this. Get the screwdriver and put it right over there in that slot and then twist it. What we're trying to do is we're trying to just pull the clips apart from there so the entire key fob just comes apart. Just do it one twist and then go around the edge and put the screwdriver in there and then twist again and just keep on continuing going around the entire edge and the remote should just come right apart. To get the battery out, get the screwdriver again and pry it out from there and the battery comes out. The battery size is CR2032, says it right there on it, and the plus sign, that's the positive side. The negative side has no markings on it. Get the new battery and put it in with the negative side facing upwards. Get the other part of the key fob, just align them both together and then press them together, and that's it. Don't forget to put the physical key back in its place, and let's go out and try this out. This is good and that's working good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.